This is the first time I have seen a transparent power bank that comes with 3 cables: USB, Lightning, and Type-C, which means I don't need to bring any type of charging cable. This power bank has it all: a large capacity, super fast charging, multiple input and output interfaces, LED display percentage, emergency lights, and multiple layers of protection. Stop! Before you hit that yellow basket button, let's dive in first and see what makes this power bank so special. First off, let's talk about the design. This power bank is made with high-quality transparent materials that give it a sleek and futuristic cyberpunk style. The transparent design allows you to see the internal components and the LED display percentage that shows how much battery life is left. Moving on to the charging capabilities, this power bank is super fast, which means you can charge your device quickly and efficiently. The 10,000 mAh capacity is perfect for those who need to use their device for extended periods of time without access to an outlet. In case of an emergency, this new transparent power bank has 3 levels of emergency light and SOS, which can be really useful if you're in a tight spot. The built-in high-quality and safe electric vehicle polymer battery has high energy storage efficiency and low power consumption, which ensures that your device will be charged quickly and safely. The power bank also has multiple security protections, with 9 layers of protection for overcharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, electromagnetic field, short circuit, overheating, overpower, recovery, and overdischarge. The new transparent power bank has dual USB, Lightning, and Type-C output interfaces and micro USB, Lightning, and Type-C input interfaces, making it compatible with most devices. Lastly, the power bank comes in 3 colors: gray, yellow, and white. It's suitable for outdoor activities, which makes it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and stylish power bank. Overall, I'm really impressed with the new cyberpunk transparent power bank. It's stylish, fast, and reliable, and the LED display percentage and emergency light features make it a must-have for anyone who needs a power bank. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.